Find the number of permutations and combinations of the word permutations. Among them, how many have vowels altogether? Now we have to see how many permutations are possible in the word permutations itself. So let's write permutation. Now in this permutations word we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters. We have 12 letters. So total number of letters is equals to 12. Now see how many number of repeated letters are there. So T is present twice, so number of T's is equals to 2, and number of vowels, which is A, E, I, O, U. In this all 5 vowels are present, so E, U, A, I, O. So all 5 vowels are present. Here what we should do is, this number of T's is considered as one object and all 5 vowels is considered as one object. We will not consider this 5 and this 2, we will consider it just 1 and 1. Now considering 5 vowels as single object, we have other left letters, which is 7. Keeping all the vowels together, taking as one object, total number of objects are 7 plus 1, which is 8. Therefore number of arrangements is equals to 8 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Here by simplifying this, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This 2 into 1, 2 into 1 gets cancelled. If we multiply all these numbers, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If we multiply all this number, we get the value as 2419200. Hence number of permutations and combinations possible are 2419200.